You've mentioned that our real nature can never leave us because it is who we are, and we simply need to make the jump in order to realize it. The question I ask is, if it's so simple, why does it seem so difficult to make this jump? What prevents us from being who we really are?
You say, if is so simple. That if can show that you're not so sure that it's simple. Yes, we talk about our real nature, our authenticity, our reality, what we really are. So, why so difficult, you ask, to make this jump? Because the jump is not needed. Because any effort is needed. It is easy to achieve anything that you don't have. It's more easy to arrive where you are not. You can buy a ticket. You can take a car. You can do something. That is the reason we have Brahma Vidya, Yoga Vidya. Yoga Vidya is a purification. Clean yourself through yoga, pranayama, relaxation, etc., etc., etc. But Yoga Vidya cannot help you to give you as a result what you really are. Sadhana, or what we call spiritual practice, cannot lead you as a product to arrive to your real nature. God is not a product, a result. It's impossible for you to become Ramdas because you are Ramdas. Not because it's difficult to be Ramdas, but because you already are Ramdas. Can you understand? So this jump, this effort, this work, this is not difficult, it's impossible. And you should be impassioned for the impossible. You go for an impossible. The only what remains is meditation, but meditation is not a doing. It's only to sit, to watch, to see. That is not a doing. Because you can make a doing out of watching, out of seeing. And to relax. Very attentive relaxation. An enlightenment, you will see that is not to succeed in some effort, is not a successful jump. Enlightenment is simple to become aware that whatever you're looking for was already there. That whatever you want to happen already happens. The love happens. The truth happens. God happens. In Hebrew, we have a bracha, very known, everybody know it. Baruch shehigianu. What do we say? Lazman ha-zeh. It's very weird. Baruch, that we arrive where? Not far away, not to some faraway country, to far away, or to some faraway moment. It's very weird. You think about it. But what blessings we are, because we arrive where? To this moment. Lazman ha-zeh, to the time, this, to the now, to the present, to arrive to the present. Welcome to the present. And the present was always there, but it's only to become aware of Lazman Hazeh. This moment is not something that you should buy, obtain, gain, achieve. And in this Lazman Hazeh, in this moment, in this present, that is the reality. The reality are not our nostalgias and memories, and not our hopes and fantasies. And the reality is not theory, is Lazman Hazeh, this moment, you arrive to reality. Not only the reality of the world, but the reality of what you are. And that is the direction. Yeah, that is the reality. The jump is difficult, it's impossible, because it's a jump. It's a jump from here to here, from you to yourself. It's a long way. It's a big jump. You jump from what you think you are into what you really are. Is the jump that you do in the morning from your dream into the morning and wake up. It's a jump that you're in the same bed with the same pyjama, but it's a big jump.